Hi, hello traders. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have seen about our quick scalper indicator, and in this video, we are going to see about two extra confirmations added with our quick scalper indicator. So this indicator named 2.0 quick scalper indicator. So that is what we are going to see in this video. In this video, we will be seeing the full guide how to use the indicator with previous version as well as the current updated version, and the two separate indicators we are going to see in this video. I wish every traders to watch this video till the end, then only you will be knowing the full details about this indicator. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button, then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. So now you can see I have opened Bank Nifty 3 minutes time frame option chart, 50,200 call option. As per the market starting today, 16th August 2024, you can see the once the market started, the ATM strike price is 50,200. So that only I have choose this strike price in the chart in 3 minutes time frame. So basically, our quick scalper indicator is working based on the logic that in the OTM sellers, it's based on the OTM sellers. So if the OTM sellers are high, so based on that pressure only, the full indicator is working. So right now I will be, you just keep this in mind. Right now I will be applying our indicator. So once you go to the indicators, type quick scalper. So you'll be having 2.0 option indicator algorithm. So this is one indicator, and another indicator quick scalper 2.0 option labels indicator. So these two indicators combined to have a single setup. So this is one setup. As a basic, I will be explaining you. If you go to the settings of this top indicator, you will be having in the inputs, you will be having the timings first of all. So this timings you can as a basic, this is the default 9:15 to 3:20, and you can also choose the API bridge for automation. In the future, if you want, you can choose that. And now you can see here the spot ATM. This is more important. In the morning, as a basic, what is the first ATM? 50,200 is the first ATM. So that is why I have defined here. So based on this, the calculation for OTM will be happening. So that only here we have defined based on which the OTM calculation or ATM calculation should happen. So that only 50,200 we have choosing here. And 100 interval is based on Bank Nifty now. So 100 interval. And the expiry date is 21. So these are the basic setups you should do before choosing the indicator. So right now we have choose the indicator, and I'm just clicking on OK. Others are default settings. If you want to do automation, these are the default settings. And now you will be having an option to choose the table. So this table you can see in the chart that left side and right side. These tables are used for extra analysis. So in single candles you can see how much buyers and sellers are there in the each and every candles. Based on our condition, you can see. So for that only these tables are used. So as of now I will be disabling this table, so no need to confuse with this. So these are just for analysis we have kept, and in the down you will be having the same tables in this indicator also. If you go to the settings of this indicator, as of now 50,200 is the basic setup, and the strike price I have chosen the same, and I will be disabling this table. Now you can, this is how the indicator will be applied to the chart. This is the basic setup. As a basic, I will be explaining about the tables first of all. In this table indicator, label indicator, you will be having two labels. The upper side one label as well as downside one label. So these two are different conditions. So that only we have given us two labels. In the above you will be having the call option, and below you will be having the put option. So in this first label, you can see the this denotes the buyers and sellers for each and every candles it will be showing you. In the call option, the above it will be showing the buyers, and below it will be the sellers, and the put option same, buy and sell. So like this for down also, call option, buyers how much, sellers how much. In the put option, buyers how much, sellers how much. So this is what the chart defines. So based on this only we are going to take the trade. So let me go to the back. So this is what today's first candle. So in this candle you can see, 1 minute, I'll be okay. So in this candle you can see the in the down label you will be having the confirmation with the call option with 10 OTM strike prices. 10 OTM strike prices it is in a buy side, and then the put option 10 OTM strike price it is in a sell side. So that is why it is showing in a red as well as this is showing in a green. So this will be denoting you whether the buyers or sellers are in active for each and every strike prices. So almost 10 strike prices it is in a buy and 10 strike prices it is in a sell. So in the above conditions, basically we should consider the first setup, that is the above condition. So in the above labels there is no confirmation till now. It is in a neutral stage. So there is no confirmation. So now in this candle you can see the confirmation happened for the above way. So in this the sellers are active in the call option. Almost for 8 strike prices the sellers are active. So based on the sellers pressure only we are going to take the entry, and in the downside we are making the confirmation. For extra confirmation we are having this label also. The sellers are active almost 10 in the 10 strike price, the sellers are active. And in this candle we got the confirmation that put option is in buy and call option is in full sell. And already we got the confirmation from the above label. Above label is the first confirmation, that is almost 8 strike prices are in a sell side. So if more than 5 strike prices are in sell, it will be giving the signal, and the signal confirmation will be happening based on the call option sell in the both in the above label as well as below label. So now you can see in the above chart in our indicator, here you got the sell entry. So this indicator will be basically defining you what are all the confirmations I am saying and explaining you right now. As per that only we have designed this labels, sell or buy labels will be coming. So no need to confuse with this table below, but this tables will be showing you how much strikes the sellers and buyers are there. So that is what the main confirmation below labels. In the below labels are helpful for you to denote each and every candles how much buyers and sellers are there for each and every strikes. So here once you get the confirmation in the sell labels also, you should wait for the confirmation that this is what the perfect confirmation. Here you can see the buyers are there in the put option also, so that you can go for a put option and you can buy in this candle. So that is what the confirmation here. Even if you are a ambush trader, you can take the entry after the confirmation with the signal itself. Once the signal coming for the sell in the call option, then in put option if you see also the buy signal will be there. So at that time you can take the entry. So this is what the basic condition to take the entry, and step by step we will be seeing how the exit is happened. So here in all the candles you can see the sellers are in pressure. So this is one time confirmation for the above labels, but below label you can see the confirmation is still there because the sellers are active in the call option till this candle, till 10:18 candle the sellers are active. In this candle 10:21 we got the sell exit here. In our label also we got the sell exit, and now in almost in 9 strike prices the buyers are there, so that only the sell confirmation is happened here, sell exit. And in the put option still there are sellers here, so that only this sell exit has been came. In the next candle you can see again call option sellers has been came. So this is how we will be again joining the trend. So now you can see in 10:42 candle we got a buy signal because we are having the full pressure in the put option sell. In put option the sellers are active for 10 strike prices, and in call option 10 buyers are there. And here in the above label you can see the put option sell has been confirmed in this candle itself. So after this confirmation we got this confirmation in this candle. So both the confirmations satisfied only in 10:42 candle, so that only the buy signal has been came here. So almost we are making the confirmation with both the strike prices in put option in the above label as well as below label. So after the confirmation with both the labels only our signals are confirming. So this confirmation will be more high probable entry. So no need to worry about the entry. After taking the entry you can maintain the stop loss based on the trailing basis. Otherwise you can go, if you go to the settings of the indicator, you will be having the target and stop loss levels based on this only. So 3% target, 3% stop loss. So basically if you go to the above indicator, here you will be having 3 levels defining you the target as well as stop loss. Either you can keep the stop loss and target based on the trailing basis or risk reward basis. So 3% stop loss, so 3% target, the risk reward is good. You can also go to the 6% target for the first target. So like this you can go to the 1:2 risk reward ratio. So this is a basic confirmation. If you want to go for trailing basis entry, then enable this button, and now you will be having the trailing stop loss will be here. For each and every candles, from the close of the candle, it will be calculating how much percentage trailing stop loss that you can define in the indicator inputs itself. Now almost 6% is trailing stop loss is there. You can also increase this or decrease this as per your wish. So once the trailing stop loss hit, as per that also you can go to the trade. So you can see this, if the stop loss is triggered, it will be showing you the labels if the candle is closed below. And the long exit has been came here. You can see this long exit has been confirmed because almost the call option sell has been confirmed in this candle in the down label, and put option buying is also confirmed. So the trade is still not continued, so that only the long exit has been came. You can also exit based on the trailing, otherwise you can exit based on the long exit. And in the opposite table, in the above table, there is no confirmation for again the sell entry is not confirmed, so that only the sell entry is not came, just only the long exit has been came based on this below label. But the sell confirmation should be coming once the both the labels are confirmed, then only the sell confirmation will be coming, because the call option sell is not happened in the above label. Again you can see here the buy entry has been confirmed, because in the single candle itself the confirmation has been changed again to the put option selling. 10 put option sellers are there in the other OTM strike prices, and the call option buying has been happened. Already the sellers are inactive in the above label, so that only in put option the 10 sellers are there. So still the trend is continuing for buy entry. So again we should take the entry. So this is how our indicator you should make the opposite side entries, and once you exit the position also, again the entry confirmation will be happening based on the both the confirmations in the above labels as below labels. So this is what the first setup. Actually I have explained all the details about this. If you have any confusions, you can replay this video and you can again watch it, so that you will be having better confirmation. So that's all traders. I have explained all the details about our quick Scalper 2.0 indicator. Most of the time no need to worry about the below indicator. So this indicator just for analysis. You can just apply this indicator, and this indicator will be helping you to take the entries before itself. So before the signal is confirming, you can make the extra confirmation in the below indicator, and no need to apply this indicator in every time. Make the confirmations directly from the above indicator itself. So that's all about the indicator fully. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you traders. Thanks for watching this video.